Hey everybody, and welcome back to Embird. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. And today I'm going to show you two really cool things that you may not have known about in Embird. So it's kind of a did you know video. Now, one thing, when I start up Embird, it always goes to the manager, but I always start up, I'm digitizing. So if I want to go back to manager or editor, then, it's just easy to switch back. So if you want to start, it's really easy to do. So click on options, and right here, the shortcut is Shift Control S on startup launch. And if you click on that, you have your choice, and there's quite a few choices: manager, editor, ultimate box, insert text, insert font engine text, ready-made alphabet, studio digitizing. That's where I'm gonna click. Not yet, but I will go back. If you do a lot of the photo stitch, you can just start off in that. You don't have to waste any time clicking back and forth. I mean, it's not a big deal. I find it convenient, and I just set it and forget it and don't worry about it. I'm gonna leave it on editor right now because I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. So I'm gonna exit completely out of Embird and wait for that. Now here is Cortana, and I don't use Cortana, but it's a search box. So in your search box, type Embird. And of course I'm using Windows 10, right? So first thing that should come up is Embird 2018 large controls. Now I'm not sure if this works in any other versions, but it does work for this one. And let's click on it, and it's going to open up my Embird, and look, you can have larger controls. And I think that's wonderful. So if you're having a hard time seeing, because the icons get a little small, you have to scroll down a little bit more because everything's bigger. Or if you're using like a Surface Pro, and the screen is smaller and high resolution, I personally have a hard time seeing it, you can switch to this one and you can have bigger controls. The other thing that this would be handy for, if you're using a pen and tablet, it's much easier to hit the pen on this than on something small. Now, if you don't like it, if you want to change back, you close it. Let's type Embird here. And if you can see under apps, and the first one is the opposite. So Embird 2018 desktop app. And if you look down here, you can see that there are two different ones: large controls and normal controls. So normal is what you're used to, large, so you can switch back and forth. I would encourage everyone, this is how I function. You right click on it and you can pin it to your taskbar. Now the taskbar is down here. You can't see mine because I have so many things open. I remember I have a really huge computer and I'm doing usually 10 things at the same time, but that makes it handy, so you don't have to go find it. You don't have to have an icon on your desk. You just go down here and click on it, and that's how you put things in your taskbar to make your work so much easier. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys benefit from these two things that makes Embird even better for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.